Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Plus. Today we are going to discuss addition of integer and properties of addition. Which properties? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity element for addition and additive inverse for addition. To clear all these points, watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Then let's continue. In last video, means in introduction of integers, in that video we have discussed that integer means a collection of number which contains all whole numbers and negative numbers. That is integer, and the group is denoted by capital I or capital Z. Before going to discuss properties of integer, we will first see how to add integers. What is the first example? See, 25 plus 32. In this example, two integers has plus sign. When two integers has plus sign, just add their numerical values and give plus sign as it is. Means what? 25 plus 32. 5 plus 2, 7 and 3 plus 2, 5. Addition is 25, means we have added numerical values. Answer is 57. And which sign 57 has? Plus sign. Why? Because these two integers also has plus sign. Okay. Second example, see. 14 plus 76. Again here both integers has same sign, that is plus. So add their numerical values, that is 90, and answer also means 90 also has plus sign because these two integers has plus sign. Third example, see. 115 plus 210 is equal to 325. Same again, both has plus sign, so answer will get plus sign. Okay. See, what is the fourth example? Minus 14 plus minus 26. Here two integers has minus sign. Just we have to add numerical values and give it minus sign. Means to answer is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 40. Added numerical values, answer we get 40. And which sign have to write here? Minus sign, because both integers has minus sign. Answer is minus 40. Okay. Next, fifth example, see. Minus 20 plus minus 35 is equal to, again both integers has same sign, that is minus minus. Add its numerical values 55 and just give minus sign to it, that is answer is minus 55. Means simply remember, when we are doing addition of the integers, when both integers are more than two integers given, then when same sign is there, that is plus plus or minus minus, give just that sign to its answer. Means just we have to add numerical values and write which sign integer has, either minus or plus. Okay. Seventh example, see. 8 plus minus 10. This example is different as before examples. Here what happened? Both integers has different sign. 8 has plus sign and 10 has minus sign. Then in this situation, what we have to do? Just compare numbers. Ignore its sign. After ignoring sign, just check number which is greater. 10 is greater than 8. Then what have to do? Just subtract smaller integer from the bigger integer. That 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. And 10 is greater. 10 has minus sign. So put minus sign to the answer. Means 8 plus minus 10. Answer is minus 2. What is the eighth example? Minus 315 plus 218. Again same example here. Two integers has, one has minus sign, another has plus sign. Then what have to do? Forget or ignore its a sign. Means just compare 315 and 218. Which is greater? 315 is greater than 218. Then subtract 218 from 315. What is the answer? 97. And 97 will get which sign? Plus or minus? Obviously minus, because 315 is greater and 315 has minus sign. So put minus sign to the answer. Next, ninth example, see. Minus 188 plus 902. Ignore its sign and compare the numbers. 902 is greater than 188. Then subtract 188 from 902. Answer will come 714. 714 has which sign? Yes, obviously plus sign. Why? Because 902 is greater than 188 and 902 has plus sign. So we have to put there plus sign, but generally we are not writing there plus sign. Okay? Means what is important here? When we are adding integers, two integers have same sign, then add that numerical values and just put their same sign. And when opposite sign, two integers has opposite sign, means one integer has minus sign, another integer has plus sign, that time just check which integer is greater and subtract. We must have to subtract smaller number from greater number and put the sign which greater number has. Means like here 902 is greater than 188. 902 has plus sign, so answer get plus sign. Okay. Next point, see. Properties of addition. What is the first property? Closure property or closure under addition. Means what? When we are adding two integers, then answer is or sum is always an integer. Means what? Means suppose A and B are the two integers, and when we are added these two, and which answer we are getting as C, that C also as an integer. See some examples. Minus 2 plus minus 3. Minus 2 plus minus 3, answer is minus 5. And minus 2 is integer, minus 3 is also integer, and answer or sum what we got, minus 5, that is also an integer. That is the closure property or closure under addition. This is the first property of addition. Second example, see. 9 plus 4. 9 and 4 are the two integers. Then answer or sum will also integer, means 13 is also an integer. Next, third example, see. 10 plus minus 22. Here 10 and minus 22 both are integers, and answer will come minus 12. It is also an integer, and this is the closure property. Second property is commutative property. What is the commutative property? The sum of two integers in any order remains unchanged. Means what? Suppose A and B are the two integers, and when we are adding A plus B, then which answer we are getting? That answer, same answer we are getting if we added B plus A. Means just order changed. Instead of A plus B, we have added B plus A. Then which answer we are getting? That is same only. See, first example. Minus 1 plus minus 2. Suppose minus 1 means A and minus 2 means B. We have to find its a sum. Minus 1 plus minus 2. What is the answer? Minus 3. But suppose we have changed its order. Means minus 2 plus minus 1. Means instead of minus 1 we have taken first minus 2 and then minus 1. Then what is the sum? Minus 2 plus minus 1. Sum is minus 3 only. Means that is the commutative property. Order changed. Then also we are getting sum is same. Means minus 1 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 1. Means A plus B is equal to B plus A. And that is the commutative property for addition of integers. Next, second example, see. 9 plus minus 15. What is the answer? 15 is greater than 9. We must subtract 9 from 15. So it is 6. And which sign we have to put? Minus sign, because 15 is greater and 15 has minus sign. Then if we change its order, means first we have written minus 15 and then added 9. Then what is the sum? Same, minus 6. So what is the second property? The sum of two integers in any order remains unchanged, means A plus B is equal to B plus A. Sum is same only. Next, third property, see. What is the third property of addition? Associative property. What is the associative property? The sum of any three or more integers remains the same irrespective of the way in which they are grouped. Means what? Suppose A, B and C are the three integers and we have to find its sum. Then if suppose first we have find the sum of A plus B, and which sum we get, in that if we added value of C, then which answer we are getting? That answer is equals to, if we added B and C integer first, find its sum, and then we have added A integer to the sum of B plus C, then also which sum we are getting, that is same only. Means see with example, minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. If we have added first minus 2 and minus 3, what is the sum? Minus 5. And what is the remaining integer? That is minus 6. Minus 5 plus minus 6, what is the sum? Minus 11. And then what is the associative property? Instead of this, means first find the sum of A plus B. If we find the sum of B plus C, then what will happen? Means minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 6. In this example, first we have find the sum of minus 3 plus minus 6. Then what is the answer? Minus 2 plus 3 plus 6, 9, minus 9, and minus 2 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 11. Means these both answer is same only, and that is the associative property. Means in any order we have added the integers, sum we are getting, that is same only. What is the second example? 2 plus 5 plus minus 3. And what is the property? First, if we have added 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, sum is 7, plus minus 3, then answer is 4. Instead of this, if we added first 5 plus minus 3, then what is the sum? 5 plus minus 3, sum is 2, and 2 plus 2, it is 4. Means if its order changed, then sum is same only. Okay. Next, third example, see. Nine plus minus 7 plus minus 2. 9 plus minus 7, 2 plus minus 2, plus 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, why? Because it has minus sign, it has plus sign, and when both has opposite sign we have to subtract, and here 2 minus 2, 0. Now if suppose first term we have added minus 7 and minus 2, then minus 7 plus 2, what is the sum? It is minus 9 plus minus 9 plus 9 plus minus 9, sum is 0. Means if order changed, then answer is same. Means what? If we grouped in any order, then sum will get same only. Next property, see. What is the next fourth property? Additive identity or identity element for addition. What is the property? When 0 is added to any integer, the sum equals to integer itself. Means suppose a is any integer, and if we added 0 to it, then sum we are getting, that is that integer itself, means a only. Or if 0 is added to any integer, means a plus 0 or 0 plus a, we are getting sum, means that integer only, that is a. See first example. Suppose 12 is an integer, and when we added 0 to it, 12 plus 0, what is the answer? Yes, it is 12. Or 0 plus 12, we are getting answer 12 only. Second example, see. Minus 2 plus 0. What is the sum? Sum is minus 2 only. Means that is the additive identity of integers. When 0 is added to any integer, then sum we are getting that integer itself. Or 0 plus minus 2, sum we are getting as minus 2. Okay. Next fifth property, see. What is the fifth property? Additive inverse for addition. The sum of any integer and its additive inverse is always 0. What is meaning of additive inverse? Additive inverse means exact opposite. Means 2's opposite minus 2. 3's opposite minus 3. Like this. Means suppose a is an any integer, then its additive inverse is minus a, and when we are find its sum, then we are getting 0 as a sum of a plus minus a. Means 2 plus minus 2, what is the sum? 0. 3 plus minus 3 is equal to 0. Like this, any integer you can take. 75 plus minus 75, what is the sum? 0. And that is the fifth property, additive inverse for addition. I hope all of you understood how to add integer and its properties. Next video we will discuss about the subtraction of integer and properties of subtraction about the integer. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe